We've analyzed millions of dollars in ad spend across service businesses, and there's one pattern we keep seeing over and over again. A lot of your leads don't show up where you think they do. So your ads feel broken, when in reality, you're just not seeing the full picture. Hey guys, my name is Nik Tsoukales, founder of RealTop. We're a digital marketing agency focused on helping entrepreneurs scale intelligently and profitably. We're also a certified Google partner. And across our campaigns, we generate tens of thousands of leads every single month for businesses across North America. And honestly, what I'm about to walk you through is one of the biggest reasons business owners completely misread their ads. You see, most business owners think marketing works like this. Someone clicks on an ad, they fill out a form, they become a lead. Simple. And sometimes it actually does work exactly like that. But a lot of times it doesn't. Too often it doesn't. And more importantly, that's not where most of your revenue actually comes from. Here's what actually happens most of the time. Someone clicks your ad, they leave. They see you again later through remarketing. They Google your name, they check your reviews, they look at your social, maybe even ask someone about you. Then days or even weeks later, they come back. Different device, different location, and well, they convert. And what does your tracking say? Direct traffic, organic lead, maybe even unknown, but that lead started with your ad. This is where most businesses get misled because they're only seeing the last click, not the full journey. And by the way, if you're a business owner trying to actually understand how this stuff works at a deeper level, that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. This is actually a brand new initiative, and I'm building it for business owners who want real, no BS insight into what's actually working right now. So if you're early here, you're part of that. Make sure you're following along. Now let's get back to it. There's something called the halo effect in advertising, and we see this consistently. Roughly 20 to up to 40% of leads and sales show up as direct traffic or organic traffic. Actually, this traffic started from a paid ad interaction. So your ads are influencing way more than your dashboard shows. Now here's where it becomes a real problem. A business owner looks at their dashboard and says, ads aren't working. So what do? They shut them off. And then their organic traffic drops. Their direct traffic drops. Their leads drop. And they don't understand why. It's because they just turned off the source, that first click that was feeding everything else. And on top of that, you've got a sales cycle. Some people convert immediately. Others take 2 weeks, 30 days, sometimes even longer. So when you're judging performance week to week, you're not even measuring the full impact. The leads you generated today might not close until next month. So when you're looking at your closing percentages, you got to do a look back period. Anyway, so now you've got inconsistent lead flow, delayed conversions, multi-touch journeys, broken attributions, and hidden impact from ads. And you're trying to evaluate all of that from a 7-day snapshot. Of course it feels broken. The businesses that actually scale ads and marketing in general understand this. They don't just look at what's easy to track. They look at first customer journeys, 30, 60, 90-day performance, blended attribution, and total revenue impact. They understand that ads don't just generate leads, they create momentum and build your brand. So if your ads feel broken, before you shut them off, ask yourself this: am I looking at the full journey or just the part I can see? Because most of the value your ads create doesn't show up where you expect it. And if this hits home for you, drop a comment below. I'm curious how you're currently tracking leads. Are you looking at last click or the full picture? Are you finding it difficult to judge how your marketing is going because of the lack of attribution? Guys, my name is Nik Tsoukales, founder of RealTop. Please click like if you enjoyed this video, and please click follow to get more content just like this every single week.